In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video speed controller extension in Brave browser. If you watch tutorials, lectures, or long videos, being able to speed them up or slow them down can save a lot of time and help with comprehension. We'll install an extension called Global Speed using Brave's access to the Chrome Web Store, and I'll walk you through each click so it's simple and clear. Start by opening your Brave browser. For the smoothest experience, make sure your browser is reasonably up to date, since extension support relies on the underlying Chromium engine. Next, use the address bar to search for Chrome Web Store, then press Enter. In the results, click the official Chrome Web Store listing from Google. This is the trusted marketplace where Brave gets its extensions, because Brave is built on Chromium and supports the same extension ecosystem. When the web store opens, look for the search box at the top and type Global Speed, then press Enter. You're looking for the extension named Global Speed, often described as a video speed controller. It typically has strong ratings and a large user base, which can help you confirm you've found the right one. Click the Global Speed result to open its details page. Take a moment to skim the description and screenshots so you understand what it does. It lets you adjust video playback rate on a wide range of sites, from streaming platforms to embedded videos, so you can watch at a pace that fits your needs. On that page, click Add to Brave. Sometimes the button may read Add to Chrome in the web store, but in Brave it works exactly the same way. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you want to add the extension. Click Add Extension to proceed. It's always a good habit to glance at the requested permissions so you know what access the tool needs to function. Now, wait while the download and installation complete. You'll see a short progress indicator and then a confirmation message once it's finished. The extension's icon may appear near your address bar, indicating it's ready to go. And that's all there is to it. You opened Brave, went to the Chrome Web Store, searched for Global Speed, opened its page, clicked Add to Brave, confirmed Add Extension, and waited for the installation to wrap up. From here, you're set to control playback speeds across the web, right inside Brave. If you ever want to review or disable it later, you can do that from Brave's extensions page. Enjoy a faster, more efficient viewing experience.